All right, well, we know technology has certainly changed the way we do a lot
yeah.
of things, how we watch the election, also maybe how we respond to the outcome.
Of course, those who were up late are taking to social media, kind of voicing their opinion about these results. Our Matt McCutcheon here in studio with some of your comments. Matt, what have you found?
Well, absolutely. You know, when something like this happens, you take to social media, whether it's on your iPad, your iPhone, and let it all out, right? Big question this morning, where were you at 2:30 this morning when the news broke? You may have been sleeping, or maybe you were glued to the results, ready to respond. That's where your phone or iPad come into play, with many of you sounding off about Trump's win. On our WTHR Facebook page, Josh Early writes, quote, "Thank God it's over. Now the work begins." He's going to have a red Senate and House. No excuse for politics as usual. His first 100 days should be accomplishments left, right, and center. Not quite the same sentiments, however, from Zach Rogers, who writes, quote, "This man can't even handle a Twitter account without acting like a child, and you all just gave him the nuclear codes for the next 4 years. Good luck, America." And consider this message of unity on Twitter from Cody Gaddis, an LGBT activist in Washington State. He tweets, quote, "President Trump, I did not support you or vote for you, but I will stand behind you. Prove me wrong, and I'll be optimistic." Of course, a lot of people unhappy with the results are, as you may have imagined, talking about moving out of the country. So check out this parody video tweeted by Barstool Sports about Canada.
And he's not going to build a wall, so you can come right on over. Just take your shoes off at the border for us.
Oh, yeah, please take your shoes off. Don't truck mud into Canada.
No. Wipe your feet.
A little difficult, though, to go to Canada just on a whim. And, of course, don't forget Scotland. You'll also be welcome there. They tweeted this out early this morning with a message that says, quote, "It's okay, America. We have room for y'all." Not you all, but y'all.
Y'all.
So,
All right. All right,
Yeah,
and
feel
about,
free to back
about
out.
those wanting to go to Canada, this morning we were trying to get on Canada's tourism website, and it was crashed. It went down this morning. It was getting so much activity.
Yeah, so it's going to be a very popular website, of course, with a lot of people who are unhappy with the results. Of course, we'll continue to follow.
I liked your united ones, the ones where people were saying, be united.
Yeah, y'all need to be united. Right?
Whatever. Thank you.